In a world where the word debt often sends shivers down the spine, there exists a realm where the affluent dance with it, turning liabilities into assets. The rich, it seems, have cracked the code to making money with debt. But how do they do it? In this video, let's dive into the world of financial wizardry as we unravel the top 7 ways the wealthy leverage debt to their advantage. If this topic is of interest to you, drop a like below and let's get started. Number 1. Real estate leverage. One of the most common strategies employed by the wealthy is leveraging debt to invest in real estate. By taking out a mortgage, they can acquire a property with only a fraction of the cost up front. As the property appreciates in value, their equity grows, and the rental income can cover the mortgage payments. This allows them to own multiple properties, multiplying their wealth without tying up all their capital. Number 2. Business expansion. Debt isn't just for personal gains, it's a tool for business magnates. By borrowing money, business owners can invest in new ventures, expand operations, or upgrade equipment. This can lead to increased revenue streams, which, in turn, can pay off the debt and generate significant profits. Number 3. Stock market leverage. The stock market isn't just a game of cash, it's also a game of credit. The rich often use margin accounts to borrow money from brokers to buy more stocks than they could with their own money. If their bets are right, the returns can be substantial. However, this strategy is not for the faint-hearted, as the risks are equally high. Number 4. Tax benefits. The tax code, in many countries, is designed with various incentives to encourage borrowing for investments. Interest on mortgages or business loans can often be deducted, effectively reducing the cost of borrowing. The rich, with their army of accountants, know how to navigate these waters to maximize their benefits. Number 5. Asset protection. In a litigious society, protecting one's assets becomes paramount. By holding debt against their assets, the rich can make themselves less attractive targets for lawsuits. After all, a creditor's claim can diminish the value of an asset, making it less lucrative for potential litigants. Number 6. Inflation hedge. Debt can be a friend in an inflationary environment. Imagine borrowing money at a fixed interest rate and then paying it back years later with devalued currency due to inflation. Effectively, the rich can repay their debts with cheaper money, making the real cost of borrowing lower. Number 7. Diversification. By using debt, the wealthy can diversify their investment portfolios. Instead of putting all their money into one venture, they can spread it across multiple opportunities. This not only increases the potential for higher returns but also reduces the risk of a total loss. In conclusion, while debt might seem like a 4-letter word to many, for the rich, it's a secret weapon. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can amplify wealth and open doors to opportunities that cash alone might not. So, the next time you think of debt, remember that it's not just a burden. It's a ladder, one that the wealthy use to reach even greater heights. This brings us to the end of this video. Hit on the like if you found value in it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our insightful content. After all, knowledge is the first step to wealth.